So I got some more copper and silver this week. If you'd like to know why I bought copper and silver, please stay and watch the entire video and then you'll know. And I have a giveaway going on right now, giving away over 2 ounces of silver. All you need to do is click the link on the screen right now. Go and guess the size of the beaver that I poured, how many ounces it weighs. Subscribe, like that video, you'll be good to go. Okay, so we'll start off with copper that I bought for the $10 a week challenge. I got another 100 pennies for $2, so that is way under spot where melt value is on these copper pennies. Pretty cheap. I'll just open up the bag so you guys can take a little peek at what years and everything. Quite a few centennials in there too. Some King George pennies in here as well. There's a centennial right off the bat, but yeah, it's a pretty decent deal buying any commodity under spot price, under market value. Gotta be happy with that. And yeah, it's kind of pretty worn, but it's copper, so that's kind of why I bought it, just because it's under melt value, and I am very happy about that. But yeah, so that's kind of the $2 double face value. I kind of consider these copper purchases right now one of the better purchases I've made for metals, just because getting any commodity under market value, you have to be happy. And it's in a very recognized form. Canadian pennies, everyone knows they're copper. Pretty standard piece. The old coinage, probably the most recognized silver there is. Everyone knows what coins used to be. A lot of people don't know about the bullion. That brings me to what I got for silver purchases this week. I've got 2 of them, 2 maples. So not a whole lot. I bought some more silver shot too, but that's obviously for melting that's ordered on its way in. I paid $27 an ounce. I saw silver under $24 an ounce, so $3 premiums for silver shot. Paid just under $27 an ounce for the shot. Pretty happy about that. So these are pretty nice. They are the 2021s. As you can see under old Betty's mugshot there. Yeah, I love these fresh maples. I love the shine on them. Real nice. There's something about the fresh maples, just the luster, the shine, everything about it. And being in Canada, they're the most recognized bullion coin that you could get without paying. If you don't want to pay $50 an eagle, yeah, this is all you could get. I paid $38 each for these maples. Pretty high. So it's kind of like buying right basically where I sold to get some gold before. Yeah, I kind of figured the whole point was to take advantage of the ratio. And yeah, premiums on gold are pretty high. You can't really get gold right now. So got a couple maples, not really stacking them, but just to keep adding a bit of weight so I can get to where I want to be. But I'm not really buying a bunch of maples right now. I'm getting some silver shot. I don't really worry a whole lot about missing out. That just doesn't really cross my mind ever, about missing out on if it goes up or down or wherever. I'm not in the camp of silver to $100 an ounce. I'm just not in that camp. I never have been. I don't buy anything to barter with. That's not a part of my strategy at all. I like coin collecting. I like to have a hedge. I like to have savings. And I like to speculate with silver. That's kind of what it boils down to. Why I bought these. Basically, just to keep seeing a little progress towards the goals where I want to be. So other than these 2 maples though, everything here is bought on $10 a week. Micro stack. $2 in pennies. Half ounce polar bear. 7/10 of a gram of gold right there. They have $10 of old Canadian $1 and $2 bills. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that this is going, the $10 a week challenge. $10 Canadian too, so it's really not that much. It's less than 80 cents US, or $88 US, sorry. 80 cents for the dollar. It's kind of the exchange rate, just a bit less than that 80 cents, but yeah, I'm really happy about how this is turning out. Looking forward to seeing how it's going to be a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 4 years from now. I'm going to stick to it for quite a while. I'm buying gold on $10 a week. I'm able to make it work and stack pretty good. I got only spending $2 for this week's challenge. I have $58.50 going forward to next week. So I got quite a good cash reserve there for if the price goes down even lower. Although as everyone says, price goes down, premiums go up, but it's still cheaper at the checkout. That's what I'm noticing. That's kind of the way it seems to work. That's just my thoughts, just my opinions, just my $10 a week stack. So please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you've been getting for the $10 a week challenge. If you've been taking part, go enter that giveaway, guess the weight of that beaver, win the over 2 ounces. So yeah, stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.